Hi, I'm Jason with Weber, and I'm going to show you how to make barbecue Kick'n chicken, zucchini planks, and some cheesy potatoes, all in less than 30 minutes. All right, to kick this dinner off, we are going to start with our potatoes. We're going to put a little bit of oil on them, a little salt, pepper, and then we're going to hit them with a nice Weber seasoning, which is the bold steak seasoning to pop some flavor in there. Then we're going to move on to our zucchini planks. We're hitting them with a little bit of oil, a little salt, pepper, and then a little bit of granulated garlic. Lastly, we're going to do chicken breast. Our chicken breast we're going to hit with a little bit of oil, salt and pepper once again, but we're going to hit these with some Kick'n chicken to really give a pop of flavor. So a little bit of heat on the front end, but then it's just a nice even flavor throughout. Looks like our grill is ready. It's hit that target temp, which is 450 to 500, our medium high heat. The first food that's going down is going to be our potatoes. We're going to put our temperature down because we're nice and hot, nice hot surface. We're going to put some oil down before we throw those potatoes on. Let's go with our potatoes. Next, we're gonna go to the grill with our chicken breast. We want skin side down. I usually do it at an angle just because it makes nice grill marks. It's more for presentation than anything. Now that our food's down, our temp has been turned down, it's time to set the timer. All right. Love timers. Timers are so important. What I'm looking for here is that golden brown. Look at that. I love that golden brown. That lets me know that these things are cooking up just like they should. And now I'm looking for my chicken. Now, one of the things you want to see here is you see that coloration around the edges. We're getting good color around this chicken. Now, the other trick, you want it to release easily from the grates. If it doesn't release from the grates, leave it alone. Let it go a little bit longer. Now we can start to apply our barbecue sauce. Now when I add this right after the flip, what happens is it starts to create this wonderful flavor onto our chicken. Some people will wait till the end to put barbecue sauce on. I like to do it throughout the cook. So we're going to shut the grill lid and let this continue to cook. Set my timer for 5 more minutes and I'll come back. All right, our timer is going off. Look at these potatoes. Absolutely gorgeous color. Those are gonna be so good. And our chicken is really coming along. We wanna move our chicken breast up here on that top rack because now it's about settling in on those flavors and really letting those flavors build. And also, I'm wanting to make some room for my zucchini planks. I'm gonna put my zucchini down on the grill to start cooking, right on the grate here and building up those flavors. But I'm not done. I talked about barbecuing up that chicken and getting it all that good flavor all around, and I'm going to season up some chicken breast up here with some more barbecue sauce. I don't care if barbecue sauce drips down on my potatoes. I don't care if it drips down on my zucchini because it's all flavor. It's all gonna be good. And now with my potatoes, I am going to add a little bit of red pepper down here, and I'm going to add just a little bit of onion. Now, the reason that I'm adding this now in the cook is because I want the flavor, but I don't want to burn my onion and I don't want to burn my red pepper. So I got that down. I'm going to move this around one more time. I'm going to close that grill lid and I'm going to set my timer for 4 more minutes. After 4 minutes, we're gonna flip our zucchini now, put some cheese on our potatoes, and give it about another 2 or 3 minutes for that cheese to melt. Temp our chicken, make sure it's at 165, stay alive. We're gonna pull our chicken off, let it rest. We're gonna pull our zucchini off. And lastly, we're gonna pull our potatoes off, and then it's about plating and enjoying the food that we just prepared. First, we're going to start off by cutting up our chicken breast. Then we're going to put down our potatoes. And last but not least, we're going to put our zucchini down after we slice it up. We're going to add a little more barbecue sauce onto our chicken. And just for an added topping, finish off our potatoes with a little bit of green onion, just for one more flavor pop. And you are ready to eat. There you have it. Food for the whole family in less than 30 minutes. Pretty easy, right? You can get the recipe and ingredients in the description below. This was fun, y'all. Enjoyed it. My name's Jason Pruitt. Gonna have some more good recipes for you coming up soon.